Hello cuties, how are you? I hope you all are fine. Welcome to our learning platform, Learn Forward from Pitara. Today we will do another next chapter of our series and the series name is Songs and Tales. The title of our poem is Brush Your Teeth. Brush your teeth. Do you brush daily? Yes, you have to brush your teeth daily. Okay, look at the picture. What do you see in the picture? The girl is brushing his teeth and drinking milk. Let's get started. What the poem is saying, you have to repeat after me. Okay? Brush your teeth. Brush your teeth. Brush them every morning. Brush them every morning. You have to brush your teeth in every morning. Daily जब सुबह उठते हो ब्रश करते हो ना, और करना भी चाहिए. Eat green things. Eat green things. Eat them every day. Eat them every day. You have to eat green things, green vegetables. It gives you protein. Eat some fruit. Eat them every day. You have to eat fruits daily. See, the girl is eating fruits daily and every morning. Drink your milk. Drink it every day. You have to drink milk every day. It's give you calcium and makes your bone strong. Yes. Brush your teeth. Brush them every night. Brush करना चाहिए ना every night. Brush करना चाहिए when you go to sleep. Before you have to brush your teeth. Okay, let's repeat again. Repeat after me. Brush your teeth. Brush them every morning. Eat green things. Eat them every day. Eat some fruit. Eat them every day. Drink your milk. Drink it every day. Brush your teeth. Brush them every night. You have to brush your teeth in every night. Okay. After this, let's move to the next page. What we have seen in the page, this is the activity. What we have to do, let's see. Our eyes are blessing to us. We use our eyes to see beautiful world. हमारी eyes क्या है हमारे लिए? Blessing है. Eyes से हम क्या देखते हैं? हम तो पूरा world देखते हैं eyes से. Let's see which are the right one. Which one of these is used for talking? इनमें से which one, कौन सा talking के लिए हम use करते हैं? Talking के लिए क्या use करते हैं हम? बताओ. Tell me. We use our mouth. Yes. Which one of these is used for listening? Listening के लिए, सुनने के लिए क्या use होता है? बताओ. Yes. Tell me. Ears. Very good. Which one of these is used for writing? Writing के लिए, लिखने के लिए क्या use होता है इनमें से? Tell me. Yes. Our hands, finger. Very good. Which one of these is used for smelling? Smelling के लिए क्या use होता है? बताओ. Tell me. Ears. No. Nose. Last one. Which one of these is used for walking? चलने के लिए, running के लिए. What इनमें से कौन सा use होता है? Which one of these? Yes, our legs. Very good. After this is an activity. What you have to do? You have to do this in your homework. You have to make the puzzles with many pictures, colorful pictures, magazine using thick cardboard pieces, gum, scissors. Okay, I will see in the next class. You have to do it in your homework. You also take your mother and father help. Okay. I hope you all like the poem and activity, my dear students. So then, bye bye. Take care. Happy learning.